Vidisha Pandey, an artist and founder of Vidisha's Creations. And Vidisha Creation is the art gallery which is based on Indian folk and tribal arts. And you can see many art forms are there, and we are showcasing this time very few art forms because the space availability, but we are having more than 80 art forms which comes from different states in India. So basically, our motto is to create awareness about Indian folk and tribal arts because this is in vanishing mode nowadays. People are switching with abstract art and modern art, but I feel actually we feel that art should come on front. Everyone should get to know about this art forms. Ki this is very rich art form. This is very niche subject. People doesn't want to talk about this because they are not aware about Indian folk and tribal arts. So this is the motto of Vidisha's Creations. This is the motto of I think we are presenting here because World Art Dubai is the biggest, largest art fair, and I feel that this art form showcased on this platform. So this is the main and mission because vision is the mission. So that's why we are here to view something different art forms.
Hi, my name is Srirupa. This time I represent that Indian folk art, and this is my three painting. My first one is the Mughal era, and the second is my that it based on the Bengal, and this one is the Odissi dance. And all total, I represent that Indian dance and music.
Hello, my name is Prasadini Deshpande. I am presenting sustainable paper flower art in World Art Dubai under Vidisha's Creation. Thank you so much. Hello, my name is Prasadini Deshpande. I am into sustainable flower art and I am participating in World Art Dubai under Vidisha's Creation. It's a eco-friendly, handmade and sustainable brand which is very much handmade and home run.
My name is Jhinuk Banerjee. These three are my art, contemporary Indian art. First one is Banaras Ghat. Second is Konarak Temple, which represent time and life. And this rickshaw represents Calcutta and life. Like how life stops if it stops and if it keeps moving. This one represents that.
What I have done is Kerala mural, and the first one is Bharatanatyam dancer I have done, and second these two are based on Kerala mural. And Kerala mural usually it is wall painting with the natural colors. This I have done on the epic stories, collection of stories are there in temples and then so according to that I think Dwarapalika. And this one actually the book is the goat life. So I have done it in a Kerala mural. It's a modern version of the Kerala mural.
Hi, my name is Kadambini Chaube and I represent Indian folk art from three different states. Lipan art comes from Gujarat, and this is Meenakari, this comes from Rajasthan, and this is Aipan, this is done in Uttarakhand. And these all are Indian folk arts, and I'm participating in World Art Dubai and a participant of Vidisha's Creations. Thank you so much. Namaskar, I'm Manasi Devdar. I'm performing Indian terracotta art in World Art Dubai by Vidisha's Creation. Theme of my art is a typical village backyard where several women performing their daily chores like cooking, sieving, miling, and grating coconut and several others.
Hi, my name is Anju Mehta and I'm Sarja Wet Indian artist. You can see here this is the Kerala mural painting and it is taking a lot of time to do. Many layering are here, you can see it's a very fine work, and I love to create the women empowerment in my paintings through the color, and I love to play with the colors.
My name is Puram Chaturvedi, and this art form is inspired from the Gujarat. It's a traditional art form of Gujarat. It's called Lipan art.
That means we used in this clay and the mirrors. And in traditional time, we use clay art in the houses to make the house cool. But in the modern days of this house, we have the different meaning of cool. So I have given a modern look for the interiors for the houses, and it has a reflection of a serene lotus. You can see peace when you see this painting. You feel peace. So I have made out of that, and to create some more drama, I have created some jhumkas for the wall. This is the earring for my walls. Let's say in Hindi we say दीवारों के भी कान होते हैं. So I made earrings for my walls.
I'm Swarnali Dash. I am presenting my artworks from Vidisha's creation. I am presenting here the Patachitra with peach white in combination. A Potua Patachitra following by renowned artist Jamini Rai. And one thing is mural and dot mandala. Another is Lippon art from Gujarat Kutch area.
My name is Sarang Sadashiv Fadnis. I am from India, Gujarat, Baroda. This is a painting which is depicting Kashmir and its landscape. I am basically interested in landscape and Indian theme, where the art is showing the landscaping area. My title is Kashmir Between Hope and Harmony. So with the title you can understand what I want to suggest. There is a beauty. That beauty we have to keep intact, and we have to see the beauty and enjoy it. So in my painting you will see depth, and you will see the flowers and the background, how we can see and we can enjoy the artwork. Thank you.